If you'd like to see how I added these rhinestones and pearls to these plain little baby children's place boots, keep watching this video. I can show you how to do the same exact thing for your cute little girl as well. These will make great gifts for Christmas, for birthdays, for photos, or just an everyday look. So today in this video, I'm going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments to these little affordable children's place booties. So they're just some little boots with a little fur on them, little faux fur, and they're just really plain. They're cute, like a very soft, dull pink, and plain. These were they're a size 6 to 12 months for my baby girl, and they were $19.95. I already picked out what I'm going to be adding to them. So I have my little trays here of various sized pearls, and I have some rhinestones as well. So I'm going to use my little pick-me-up tool that I got from Amazon. Rhinestones came from eBay. I'll have some links for those. The pearls came from eBay as well. And today I'm using Gorilla Glue. You can use a glue like this, or you can also use some E6000. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're just going to continue to add on your pearls or rhinestones. Just make sure whatever you do, you just try to get them as tight as possible. I was trying to do like a honeycomb type of method. These pearls were about, I want to say 10 millimeter. So I just wanted to make sure there was the least amount of spacing between them as possible. So I'm just going to continue on. You want to add your glue. Move as quickly as you can, but you don't want to rush. But you also don't want the glue to start to dry up on you, because it will. Okay, I'm almost finished with the first shoe. As you can see, I decided to go with some type of little design here. I'm going to finish up adding these rhinestones, which are a 4 millimeter. Then I'll end up closing that off with some pearls, and I'm going to add on a bigger sized rhinestone, which I will show you in the next clip. So just continue to make everything as nice and tight as possible. Here's that big gem I told you about. And I have some pink pearls. I just want to make sure it's nice and closed up. And you can see I'm still adding just a couple more stones here because I want it to be surrounded. I want the bigger gem to be surrounded. I'm going to add a nice hefty amount here. And I'm going to go ahead and place that stone right in the center. I think this just looks so adorable. I didn't even plan this. I just pretty much just went with the flow. And at the bottom, I'm going to just scatter on some dots of glue. I'm not going to embellish the whole entire bottom. I didn't want to drag this project out too long. So I'm just going to space out a few pearls and rhinestones at the bottom. Of course, if you want, you can go ahead and bling out the whole bottom, or you can leave the bottom bare. It's completely up to you. Okay, so I went ahead and started on the second shoe. The first one is complete. I will show you that at the end of this video. So because you saw how I did the first shoe, I'll just go ahead and speed the rest of this video up, but they're coming along very nicely. Okay, and here is the finished result, and they look absolutely stunning. So I usually just do just a regular old scatter or make them all the same, but I decided to just go with some type of purpose for these or create some type of design. So I really like the way they turned out. I decided not to add anything to the back because I felt like there was enough. Okay, focus. I felt like there was enough going on. And I really like how this bigger stone in the front just made it look so extremely elegant. Very happy with how these turned out. I made these little $20 Children's Place boots look like something more lavish. So a lot of people's children will have these boots, but they won't look like these. So this is exactly why you should customize them if you have time. Even if you bought something like this from Walmart or something, just some regular old little boots, you could just really embellish them and just really jazz them up. I'm so happy. Like, this is probably one of the best pair of little booties I've ever done. Oh, and on the bottom, I just added a little bit of scatter of rhinestones and pearls. You can do the full thing if you want. Probably can hear my baby girl in the background now. You can do the full thing if you want to. That's completely up to you. Just did a little bit of something at the bottom. Or you can leave the bottom blank, but I really like these. So I hope you received some type of inspiration to add some embellishments. It's something about pearls and rhinestones together. It just really looks good. So thank you all for watching this video. If you'd like to see other videos like this, you may want to subscribe. And if not, that's fine too. Have a great day. This is the before, just in case you forgot how they looked. And this is another before of the bottom. The transformation on these is crazy. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.